Hi guys, welcome back to Pinky's Journal. Today I'm going to be doing quite a... Oh my god. Look at how beautiful, look at the beautiful guy that just came to visit. Oh. Today I have some Dollar Tree hauls for you guys. I wanted some stuff for bullet journals and I went in today and they had new stuff. Brand new stuff that I haven't seen, and I actually fell in love with these. Look at how beautiful these are. These are stickers, by the way. These are all stickers that I'm planning on using for my bullet journal. Isn't this beautiful? I'm gonna open it up here so you can see. This is another one. I have quite a few stuff, but I'm just showing you guys. This is another one for Halloween. Actually, you can use this when it's not even Halloween. Is there anything on the back? Oh, there's more on the back. Oops, sorry. There's more stuff on the back. Let me see if there's more stuff on the back of this one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. More stuff on the back of this one. Oh, look at the little... Look at that. I love that. That is super cute. So let me just show you guys what I got, and then I'm gonna go through and do stickers and start sticking these in my bullet journals. So I got some nails, kiss nails, and these are pink. And I got this one as well. I thought it was cute. I could use this. I'm gonna show you guys how I plan on using this as well. This is beautiful. And there's a magnet on the back. Obviously, I'm gonna not use that for the magnet. Oops. And then we have these. I thought I should get one of this so I can be able to use it for my bullet journal. And then I got this as well. But the reason why I got this wasn't because I wanted a book with a schedule in it. I got it because I plan on cutting these out to use for my bullet journals. Cut it out and stick it in there. Alright, and then I got this, some glue sticks. I wanted it in white, but they had only this red and yellow, so I got it. It's okay. And I wanted some acrylic paint, just a white paint for like erasing or just using for my art. And if you haven't seen my recent video that's trending, I say it's trending, go check it out. It's on my page, and it's October fall bullet journal. Okay, and obviously I had to get some tissue paper. Does anybody else look at the count on there before they pick up the box? That's what I do, but this one had the most count at the dollar store, so I thought I would get it, and I loved the color of the box because it's neutral color, so I got that. And these are the really old ones that they had at the Dollar Tree before, but I just want to include this one as well. This is really nice when you want to draw a border inside of it. You can use this as a guideline as well to draw a border in your bullet journal. Oh no. Alright. So it opens like this, like a book cover. And then you have both sides. I just did a video on this one, so if you're curious about it, so don't know when I'll be able to use this one. Oh. Alright. Let's see, maybe I can just put it right here. It's not bad. These are pretty good quality stickers. I plan on taking off this little thing right here. Okay. So my goal is to stick this in here, on here, and bring that. And instead of that month, I was going to use this. This is where this comes into play. And you can use the paint to do the same thing with the corrector. And then we have this little beauty right here. Okay. Just rip her apart. Do the same thing with her. Put some of this on there. I'm just putting all of it on one page right now. But if you don't like, I don't want to put the whole thing here like this. I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna cut it. Now, do you see these little ones right here? I want those too. So I'm gonna cut this. Stuff in here, in between there, in between here. Like, see how sticky that is? This is a glass, not glass, like plastic, but it's all adhesive as well, so. Hit that subscribe button if you love Bullet Journal, and give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of video as well. And stay tuned. I'm always posting. I post about 2 or 3 times, actually yeah, 2 or 3 times a week. And this week I have posted a lot. So if you are looking for more videos to watch, this is the channel for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.